Here's a pair of Bose QC Ultra earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio TV. So the first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode, okay? So if you look on the back of the case, you have this little button here, okay? So what we want to do is put this into pairing mode. We'll know when it's pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue. So with the earbuds in, the lid open, I'm going to put my finger on that button. I'm going to press and hold for like 2 seconds or wait till I see a blue light here, okay? Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Oh, blue light right there. Go ahead and let go, and now it's blinking blue, indicating that this is in pairing mode. Now we have to go directly to our Vizio TV and go into the settings. Now in this Vizio TV model, I have a settings button on my remote right here. If you don't, you can navigate from the TV. Just click on the home button. And then you want to go to the left pane there, and you want to go to settings, okay? So let me move over all the way to the left right there. Let me go all the way down. You see settings near the bottom right there. Settings is highlighted in red. I'm going to click on OK. And now from here, we're going to go ahead and check Bluetooth headphones right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then you can see the check mark is on the TV speaker. So the audio is currently come out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these, okay? So it's still in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, and everything under other devices, it should show up there. Ours already popped up, the Bose QC Ultra earbuds, and it's still in pairing mode, okay? So it found it, so let me just go down, pair, let me click on OK on the remote, and give it 1 second to connect here, and you can see the check mark, and it is now connected. Now I can take the earbuds out, and I can turn on Netflix or YouTube, and all the audio is going to come out of here. Now, if you guys had issues where you had trouble putting it into pairing mode or connecting to your TV, you can always factory reset these as well. If you want to know how to do that, look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these, okay? Good luck, guys.